Good morning.
Good morning.
Glad you're here.
So am I.
So let's talk about life before you came in for treatment. What was your day to day?
Oh, day to day, I was constantly in pain and very tired. I didn't get half of nothing done that I needed to do.
And what were your nights like?
Nights were very stressful, tossing, turning. I think I took more painkillers than anything. Yes. Heat, ice, heat, ice. Yes.
Basically, desperately trying to get well.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So, how did you find out about Cam?
One of my church members, she had told me that she was in desperate pain. She was walking with a cane, then she went to a wheelchair. Then she started coming to Cam, and next thing I know, she was running, jumping, almost doing cartwheels, walking her best. Yes.
So you came in. What were you diagnosed with?
I was diagnosed with severe arthritis, and I didn't know I had bone spurs until I got my medical records. And Cam read them to me, and they kept saying severe arthritis. You need knee replacements, both knees, knee replacement. And once I started seeing Cam, he read it. He said, "No, Daisy, I can dissolve." I didn't even know we had bone spurs. I had bone spurs. He dissolved the bone spurs, and when I say no more excruciating pain, no. Then he's teaching me how to walk right, working the muscles, and Cam is just amazing.
So, one thing about when pain whittles you down so much, you might not think there's hope and you might think you're not worth it because
Yes.
it just undermines your well being. So, speak to that.
Oh my goodness. I would work during the day, go to the tow lot. Half time I didn't even go to the tow lot. I was just so tired, so much pain. All I wanted to do was rest. I slept more. I didn't get anything done for months and months. I was totally tired all the time. And in so much pain, taking so much ibuprofen, heat, ice, heat, ice. I was just so miserable. Miserable.
So, how long did it take for things to start to improve? So, let's talk about during treatment and now on the other side of it. You just share what you want to share.
During treatment, I was always in 10 plus, or Cam would say, "Daisy, what's your pain level?" I want to say 1,000. And he says 1 to 10. I said 10. Excruciating pain every day. Then I started coming in. He started working with me. Within, I think, like maybe the third or fourth visit, I could feel a little relief. Then after that, after a month, it was almost, pain went down to a 4. 4, from a 10 to a 4. Then it gradually just started going down and down. And now it may be a 1. It may be a 1. And some days I don't even have much pain. Yes. And I didn't realize that the muscles, I was just walking different. Walking wrong. He's showing me how to walk right. Just use the muscles I'm supposed to use. I've just been so pleased with Cam. It's been amazing. It's been an awesome journey.
So, now that you're on the other side of it, what's your day to day like compared to what it was?
Oh, I'm so full of energy. Pain pills? No, no more
Okay.
pain pills. He's even taught me foods that I could eat to even give me the energy, give me more protein. And I mean, my day starts out 6 a.m. I get up, and most of the time I don't get home till like 9 or 10. And I still have energy all day long. Before I was going to work, struggling to get through the day, and then come and see Cam, get a little relief, go home. I did nothing for months. I was just so tired. Now I got so much energy. It's just like I got my life back. I have my life back with no pain. Yes.
So, what would you say to somebody who is, it compromises everything, your relationships, your
Yes.
self esteem, your work, your,
Yes.
recreation, everything? So, what would you say to somebody who lives in the Savannah area or even beyond and has that kind of pain level?
Come to the Holistic Body Shop. Come and see Cam. No matter what happens, you're going to walk out there relieved. You're going to be well pleased. Cam is the best. He is the best. And especially if you don't want to do surgery. And I was so dead against the surgery. And now surgery is definitely, out of my vocabulary. I tell everybody, if you want to get out of pain without surgery, come to the Holistic Body Shop and see Cam. Cam will do it. Yes. It's
That's
amazing.
epic. Okay. Now, that was perfect.
Really? Yay.
Yeah.
Yes.